I'm circling these 3 right now at the top, because you guys see that I'm drawing on the screen, right? Because these 5 layers, these are often indeed being tested on exams. So these are being tested on exams. And the creation part, the top layer, is usually more based on assignments. If we look at a work or like a study setting, and I'm sharing this because I know you are both working, but if someone wants to watch this replay, it also has to make sense for them. So these first 5 layers are more exams. The creation stage is more for assignments. You also see it here. You design something, you develop something, you investigate, you create something. And creation is often not really much tested in an exam setting. Summarization. Most students get stuck at layer number 1 and 2 because of bad learning methods. So yeah, like they use the flashcards, they can remember and they can understand. But what we are going to look at today is how can we utilize level 3, level 4, and level 5. And the most important thing that I want you to take away from today's session is that you are going to look critically at the keywords that are being used here on the right-hand side in these boxes. So you're going to see a bunch of keywords here. And once you're starting to make mock exams or you're practicing a situation, you will see that you can recognize some of these keywords. And these keywords, for example, here, list or explain or solve or compare or judge, those are very common in exam settings. So the question can be, list the 6 layers of Bloom's taxonomy. That's a remember question. Remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate. Explain layer 2. Explain ideas or concepts. Number 3 could be indeed about, let's use this one real quick. So yeah, use the information in new situation. Demonstrate how Bloom's taxonomy can be applied in learning. Or analyze. Compare level 4 with level 5 and explain the differences. So it's a little bit of a comparing question about, hey, which method is more efficient, or what is the difference between these two? A judge or a level 5 question. A student is only using flashcards as a learning method. Argue why, based on Bloom's taxonomy, this is not efficient and effective in terms of learning. And then you, as a student, must know, okay, flashcards are usually only about remembering, but the student is going to get questions about application, analyzing, and evaluation. So therefore, the student is only using surface level learning methods that don't get him the eventual results that he is looking for. Okay.